Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA Pore Refining Treatment. Pore Refining Treatment is a powerful at-home exfoliant using 3 methods of exfoliation for dramatically smoother and softer skin while absorbing excess oil and impurities. PCA use an advanced blend of ingredients for powerful exfoliation. They use rice powder and pumice for physical exfoliation, mandelic acid for chemical exfoliation, and papaya fruit enzyme for an enzymic exfoliation. The Pore Refining Treatment will minimize the appearance of pores by absorbing excess oil stuck in your pores. It will purify the skin and sweep away any dead skin buildup or excess dirt and debris, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Now it's suitable for a problematic, oily and congested skin. After cleansing, apply and work in gentle circular motions over the face. Rinse and pat dry and follow with your appropriate PCA toner, serums or your moisturiser. You would use morning or evening 1 to 3 times per week based on your skin type and condition. It also works great with the PCA detoxifying mask as a once a week treatment. And just also a little tip, if you don't have a lot of time, you can use this pore refining treatment in the shower. So if you would like to purchase the PCA pore refining treatment, please head to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below.